Hello friends, welcome to VFocus classes. In this session, we are going to discuss a problem on probability, and this problem was asked very recently in SBI PO Mains Exam. Let's go through the problem. There is a bag which contains some black balls, red balls, blue balls, such that the probability of picking a black ball is 2/7. The probability of picking a red ball is 1/2. If the number of blue balls are 6, find the total number of balls in the bag. This is the question given to us. So it's very clearly given. So the number of black balls, so that is equal to 2/7, and the number of red balls, that is equal to 1/2, and total number of blue balls. So total number of blue balls is given 6. This is not the probability. So he's asking what are the total number of balls in the bag. So for this, you know that there is a quite different pattern for the marks allotted in SBI exam, and this question was given 2 marks in the exam. How to do this problem? Okay, in order to do this problem, we need to have a concept in your mind. So what is the concept of probability? Probability always deals with favorable outcomes by total outcomes. If you toss a coin, you'll be getting 2 outcomes, that is, one is tail and one is head. If you are asked to find what is the probability of one head, so you'll be getting only one head out of the total number of 2 cases. So like this, you'll be getting the answer. And if there are some n balls, let's say 10 or 15 or 20, if you want to pick one ball, the total number of ways of doing this thing is always NC1, we say. If you want to pick 2 balls, it is NC2. So here we are picking only one ball, that is NC1, you'll be getting it as N. The probability of selecting one ball out of n balls. Here in this case, we have done the total number of cases. But if you talk about the probability, it is always favorable outcomes. You want only one ball. The total number of cases already you know that is n. In the same way, do this problem. If there are 4 red balls, 3 black balls, the probability of drawing one red ball. So here you need only one red ball, but there are total number of 7 balls. So you want to pick one ball out of this 7. And this one ball must come from red balls. So how many red balls are there? 4. Out of this 4, you need to pick one. So you'll be getting the answer as 4/7. Okay. And if there are 4 red balls and 3 black balls, the probability of drawing one black ball. So what is the probability of drawing one black ball? So there are 7 balls. So out of these 7 balls, so let's say this is 7C1, and you want only black ball, that is 3C1. The favorable outcomes are 3C1. So you'll be getting it as 3/7. See, in these 2 cases, whatever the denominator you are getting, this denominator reflects the total number of balls. When the case is about only one ball, the total denominator reflects total number of balls. Keep this in mind. So in our problem, he is picking only one ball. So when he is picking only one ball means the denominator must reflect our total number of balls. But here the denominator is given 7, here the denominator is given 2. So you make the denominator same, means you need to make up these 2 numbers in such a way that the 2 numbers are same. So there is 7 and there is 2. So whatever the number you write in this denominator, I am changing the denominator here, also here. So which number is to be written? I multiply this 7 with 2, I will get it as 14. So here also I will multiply with 2 so that I will get 4. So same way, I need to make this denominator 14 because the total number of balls here and here should be same because we are picking only one ball. So it is 14, and you multiply. How you got 14? You multiply it with 7. In the same way, you multiply with 7. Now you check the total number of balls. Total number of balls in these 2 cases is 14. Now you check. Here the black balls you got is 4, and the red balls you got is 7, and the blue balls you got is 6. If you add these 3 things, if you get 14, then your answer is 14. Otherwise, you need to go for the other options. 4 plus 7 is how much? 11. 11 plus 6 is nothing but 17. But you got only 14. So this option is wrong. Then what is that we need to do? So this is completely ruled out. Now 7 you multiply with 3. So what is that you will be getting? You will be getting 21. So here you will be getting 6 because we are multiplying with 3. In the same way, here also you need to make it as 21. But in 2 table you never get 21. So this is impossible. Now you multiply 7 with 28. You multiply 7 with 4. So you will be getting it as 28. So we are trying out each and every option. So when you multiply with 4, you are getting 28. In the same way, you multiply 2 with 4, you will be getting 8. Here also you multiply, you make 2 as 28, so you need to multiply with 14. So you will be getting it as 21. The numerator you will be getting 14. Now your total number of balls are 28. And here you got 8 black balls. Here you got 14 red balls. And here you got 6 blue balls. You add up all these things. If you get the 28, the total number of balls is 28. Then your answer is 28. Otherwise, you need to continue the process. 8 plus 14 is 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. So your answer is 28. If you don't get the answer here, then what is your answer? Then directly go for none of this, because you are not getting the answer as 14, and there is no question of getting 23 in 2 table, and there is no question of getting 24 in 7 table. So this is how you need to solve the problem. You need to break the convention way and you need to do the problem. Otherwise, you won't get the answer for this particular problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. I request you to subscribe our channel and like the video, and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.